Today's tutorial, how to convert a dataset to CSV in C#. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to see how to convert a dataset from an SQL Server into a CSV file using C# and IronXL. Before we start, make sure that you have IronXL NuGet package installed. Set your license key in the program.cs file. So now let's look at the first method, get data. This method connects to SQL Server using connection string, runs a simple select query on the student data table, fills a data table using SQL data adapter, and returns that data table. Once we have the data table, we create a new IronXL workbook using workbook.create, set the author name, and grab the default worksheet. Next, we loop through all the rows in our data table. For every row, we write each column's value into Excel, like A1, B1, C1, and so on. This continues row by row until all the data is written. After filling the worksheet with all the student records, we simply call save as CSV and give it a file path. IronXL automatically converts the workbook into a CSV file. So now let's run the application and give it a second to execute. And there we go. The CSV file has been created successfully. So if you open the CSV, you'll see all the rows coming directly from your SQL database, clean, ready to use. And that's it. That's how easily you can convert a SQL dataset into CSV file using C# and IronXL. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from us. And if you want to get started with IronXL, please sign up for a trial on the site, continue to download, install the package, experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below. Check it out for yourself.